All right, here we got a 30-foot Great Plains drill. It is 7.5 inch spacings. 7 or 7.5. These things aren't perfectly straight, but I think they're actually 7-inch spacings. Hey, this drill's fairly tight. This gentleman passed away that had this, but there's a couple things here. There's several of these plastic things, these adjustment deals that are broke on the row units. Like this right here is bent. Okay, that bracket's bent. There are hoses that need replaced on this. We have one of our chains holding the wheels up, and I'll show you that here in a minute. It does not go with it, so we'll pick it up for you and you put your chain on it before you load it. But these things are pretty tight. Like these bushings in these are really pretty decent, but it needs a bunch of those plastic things. And just like here again, this probably got bent loading or unloading or something right there. But so that's like the gauge wheel bracket. It is 30 foot in total. It is a conventional drill, and he did a lot of tillage and stuff. So here, right here, here's the rubber pieces look pretty decent. There again, another cracked plastic piece, another cracked plastic piece. And guys, the double disc on these are decent size. There's just no play in these. So this drill's tight, it's just set out. I don't think it's been used much in the last several years. He's been gone for like 3 or 4 years. It does have markers on it, but you can see these hoses are junk, okay? We can push this or set this on a trailer for you. It's not a big deal. It is wide. We'll have to check on if y'all want it tore down. We're gonna have to check on that. But transport width on this unit is about 16 feet wide. Okay, the way it goes down the road. The way it goes down the road, 16 wide. But this chain does not go with it. We got it on there just to move it around, and we're gonna take that back off because that's mine. So, like I say, these wheels will sag because the hoses are bad. So it needs new hoses put on it in different places. But the openers on this drill are decent. And I think the drill mechanically is pretty good, but there's a lot of little things that's going to need done as far as hoses go, and it is a solid stand 30. And it is going to be sold absolute on Tractor House Auction